Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about data types in Java. Before this video, we have seen uh, variables, Java history, Java introduction, basic terminologies of Java, what is the life cycle of Java program, how a Java class file run or Java file run. So in this video, we will see the data type, and in the next video, we will do hands-on on data types, how to check what is the data of particular variable, what is the data type of a particular variable, and how to do some operation on them, and what are how many types of data over there we can use in our Java programming language. So let's start. So data types are nothing but the see there is an example int x is equal to 2. Okay, if you have seen our previous video, then you definitely know x is our variable. Okay, so x before x there is a word int means integer. Okay, so the integer the x has integer kind of data, and x has a data type of integer. So that is data type. Basically, every variable has some kind of data, and that data has some specification. Okay, specification quality like integer data, floating data, double data, character, string. So okay, so these type of quality is known as data type. Okay, and data types also specify the different sizes and values that can be stored in a variable. Okay, so like int int type of data always take 4 byte of memory in our programs. Okay, so as you see here, int x is equal to 2. Okay, x is our variable, x stored 2, and 2, what kind of data is 2? That is our integer. So integer is so what is the data type of x? Integer. Okay, same in the same example. Next example, string name is equal to technet is. So name is a variable. Name has what kind of data? It has string kind of data. So what is the data type of that name variable? That is string. So this is the data type. Now, how many types of data type we study in Java, or how many types of data type present in Java? So if you see, there are two types of data: primitive data types or non-primitive data types. Okay, primitive data types include byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, char. Char means character. Okay, byte, short, int for int means integer. That is a short terminology, short keyword which we use, or these are predefined, already predefined in Java. Okay, non-primitive data types such as string, arrays, and classes. And there are multiple non-primitive data types that user can also define as per the use. Okay, primitive data type specify the size and type of variable values, but it has no additional method. Okay, as we see, byte, short, int, char, long float, double boolean, 8 types of primitive data types available in Java programming language. These are the basic data types that you will always perform some operation on these data types. Okay, and what about non-primitive data type? Non-primitive data types in Java are user-defined and can be easily created and modified by the programmers. They are used to store multiple values of either the same data type or different data types in a single variable. Array, class, object, string interface. These are the topics that we will discuss it later after couple of videos, because these are little bit high level topic, because before that you need to have some base in Java programming language so that you can understand all the things. So thank you all. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, that is TechNetics, you know very well. And if you have any kind of doubt till now, then please let us know so that we can resolve it out. So thank you.